On the night of June 13th, 2025, many families in a small village called Yelwata in Benue State were already asleep. It had been a normal day. Children played outside. Farmers returned from their fields. The village slowly became quiet as night arrived, but sometime in the darkness, gunshots broke the silence. Armed men attacked the community, forcing people to run for their lives. Homes that once held laughter suddenly filled with fear. By morning, the village looked different. Many lives had been lost. Families searched for loved ones. Others carried what little they could and left the place they once called home. Because sometimes tragedy does not announce itself. It arrives quietly in the night and leaves a silence that lasts for years.